You're already watching videos every day, so why not get paid for it? I found 3 websites that actually pay you just for watching content, and I'm gonna break down exactly how much each one really pays. No hype, this is just the real numbers. Let's be real, most get paid to watch video sites are either scams or they barely pay you anything for your time. I have tested multiple platforms to see which ones really pay for your time and effort so you don't have to waste your time doing so. These 3 sites are the ones I've had the most success with. Do be sure to stick around to the end of the video, as all 3 of these platforms will make you consistent money and you can use all of them at the same time. This is a really easy way to make some extra side money, and I hope you'll benefit from this. And by the way, I will have all the links in the description alongside with my Discord server community. In my Discord server community, I have multiple other websites that you can use for side hustles that are outside of just watching videos. Without further ado, let's jump into the first website. So DollarTub is a website where you can actually get paid to watch videos, complete surveys, and do other small tasks. All you have to do is sign up for free, go to the watch section, and start earning. The concept is simple. You watch a video, you get credited, and once you hit the payout threshold, you can easily cash out. And I'm not gonna lie, the pay per video is pretty low. You won't be making crazy money from this. This won't be changing your life, but it is an extra additional side income that you can easily make passively. Some users on Trustpilot have even said they couldn't hit the payouts they expected, so don't go into this thinking you're gonna make $1,000 per day. Think of this as an easy side hustle that I'm making extra few bucks per day for small purchases. Now, site number 2 is actually built for gamers, and it's got a very easy payout system. Gamers Den TV is exactly what it sounds like, a site that pays you to watch gaming content. You watch videos and you earn points. It's very straightforward, no confusing credit systems and no shady conversations, just points that turn into actual money. What I like about this platform is the content is stuff that gamers actually want to watch, like gameplay clips, reviews, and trailers. This is great so you're not just sitting through watching boring ads for pennies. You're watching content you would probably watch anyways. The payout rate is still not going to make you rich, but compared to DollarTub, the system is way more transparent and the content is even more watchable. Alright, now for the one that everyone talks about, which is Freecash. It's got the highest payout potentials, but there's something they don't tell you on the homepage. So Freecash is one of the most popular sites on this list. A lot of people have cashed out real money from this site. You can earn money through surveys, game offers, and yes, video watching features. But here's the catch, and this is important. The get to paid watch video parts of Freecash, that's been called out as misleading. The real money on Freecash comes from surveys and game offers, not just from watching videos. If you go in expecting to just sit back and watch videos all day and make serious money, that's just not gonna happen. So if you're willing to do surveys and game tasks on top of watching, Freecash could actually pay pretty decent. But if you strictly want to watch videos and get paid, this is not one of your best options. Alright, so here's my honest ranking for getting paid specifically to watch videos. Number 1 is gonna go to Gamers Den TV. It has a simple point system, real gaming content, no bullshit. Number 2 is gonna go to DollarHub. It works, but the payout is kind of low, but it does have an easy payout system. Number 3 on the list is going to Freecash. It's great for watching surveys and game offers, but the video watching specifically, it's the weakest of the 3. If you're looking for a simple watch videos to get paid setup, go with Gamers Den TV. If you want the most total earning potentials and you don't mind doing surveys, give Freecash a try. If you want to try any of these, I will have them linked in the description. Do be sure to sign up with the link in the description because some of the apps do actually give extra for my referral link. Also, don't forget to join my Discord server. We've got a whole community sharing side hustles that actually work, no scams. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.